Good afternoon and welcome to Business Standards News Update. Here are the top stories. Reliance Industries advocates for private and public sector joint bidding to secure energy supplies. SC rejects pleas for recalling its orders on the 2G spectrum case. General Motors India recalls 4,000 units of its SAIL model. Now the news in detail. Reliance Industries advocates public and private sector firms bidding together for oil and gas fields abroad to secure energy supplies for the country. RIL Executive Director PMS Prasad said China, which has been successful several times in acquiring energy assets, coordinates aggression among its firms to have a concerted effort. At an industry conference, Prasad said that public and private sector companies should collaborate for overseas acquisitions. He also said that focus countries should be Iraq, Venezuela, Mexico and the Middle East. The Supreme Court rejected the pleas of the accused in the 2G spectrum case, seeking recall of its two orders barring the High Court from hearing the matters arising out of the scam. A bench comprising G.S. Singhvi and K.S. Radhakrishnan said there was no good ground for recalling the orders of 11th April 2011 and 9th November 2012, restraining all the other courts from entertaining any petition or application in the case. The bench dismissed the petition, saying the two orders were passed keeping in mind the larger public interest involved and the interest of the accused persons that there should not be any impediment in speedy trial. General Motors India said it is recalling 4,000 units of the diesel variant of its SAIL model to address a potential engine issue. The recall will affect 2,910 units of the sedan version of SAIL and 1,090 units of the compact car variant of the model. This comes close on the heels of the company recalling 1.14 lakh units of its multi-purpose vehicle Tavera in July this year regarding emission issues. GM India, however, said this latest issue is not related to the Tavera recall. GM India Vice President P. Balendran said, "Our customers are at the center of everything we do. Quality is our highest priority. However, if there is an issue, we ensure that it is corrected as soon as possible." He said the recall is to rectify a problem at the crankshaft hub bolt, which has the potential to impact the performance of the 1.13-litre diesel engine. That's all we have for now. Keep watching the space for more news.